Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your KuCoin password. First, open your web browser and go to the official KuCoin website. On the login page, you'll find a Forgot Password link. Click on it. You will then be prompted to enter either your registered email address or your phone number associated with your account. This is the initial step to verify your identity and begin the reset process securely. After entering your contact information, KuCoin will send a verification code to your registered email or phone. Check your inbox or messages for this 6-digit code. Carefully enter the code into the designated field on the KuCoin website. This crucial step confirms that you are the legitimate owner of the account, protecting it from unauthorized access. Do not share this code with anyone. Once your identity is verified, you'll be directed to a page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that combines uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information. Re-enter your new password in the confirmation field to ensure there are no typos. Make sure it meets KuCoin's minimum security requirements for length and complexity. After successfully resetting your password, always enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Consider using a reliable password manager to store and generate complex, unique passwords for all your accounts. This practice significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Remember, keeping your account secure is paramount. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.